Xiaomi said today that its new 5.99-inch Mi Mix 2S phone has better features than the iPhone X. Now, it has another piece of hardware to boast, a wireless charging mat of 99 yuan, about $15 USD, as AndroidCentral saw it. The Mi Mix 2S is the first Xiaomi phone to offer wireless charging, and at today's launch event, Xiaomi unveiled a wireless charging mat designed specifically for the phone. The carpet supports the Qi specification with a maximum load of 7.5 W. Xiaomi says that the Mi Mix 2 seconds takes 3 hours to get a full load of the mat. The maximum load of 7.5 W is lower than other wireless chargers currently available in the market, such as Samsung's 9W Fast Charge wireless charging stand or the 10W Anker Powerport. But that's to be expected, given that other wireless chargers on average cost between $40 and $50.